using my hands.
So what if it's not a Benz? Still carry my companions.
So what TV for entertainment?
So what if we can't buy juice? We just go back to our roots.
You see when you eat that?
I not do.
Hello friends, welcome back to So What TV. My name is Ryan, and today I'm going to prepare one of the world's favorite puddings. That is the sweet potato pudding. Very healthy. And what is going to make this one very special is the fact that I'll be using all organic ingredients. Yes, all organic. Nothing will be processed. All natural, plant-based. So, let me show you what I'm going to work with today. So right here, I have some cane juice. Yes, this cane juice was freshly squeezed using my So What TV cane juice machine. No sugar. That's the natural cane juice, alkaline, which is very good for you. That's what I'm gonna use as sweetener. And here we have the sweet potatoes. These were washed, peeled, and grated. And in here we have the coconut milk. Now, I don't use the coconut powder. As I said, all natural, organic. So these were coconuts from the tree, broken, grated, juiced. And here I have some of the coconut trash that I will be adding as well, just to give the texture of the pudding something real nice and flaky. Here we have some cinnamon powder. Yes guys, cinnamon powder, all natural. This cinnamon powder I made myself. Got this from the cinnamon stick, beat it in the mortar, and I then blend it in my bullet to get the powder. Right here, I have 3 green plantains that I cut up. And you might be asking yourself, what is he doing with plantains? Well guys, this is what is going to hold the pudding together. I'm not going to use any flour whatsoever. As I said, I'll be using all organic, plant-based, healthy. And right here, I have a piece of yellow yam. I don't make my pudding without using a piece of yam. And this is also a binding agent. Yes, we see in bolt. Yes, some of your magic will be going in the pudding as well. And here I have 2 nutmeg, some ginger, and here I have my natural coconut oil. Later on in the video, you'll see what I'll be using the coconut oil for, guys. So let's get to making this healthy, delicious, organic sweet potato pudding. So I'm going to now start by adding the ingredients to my blender. I'm going to add the cane juice first. That is my sweetener, as I said earlier on, the natural sweetener. Right, then I'm gonna add the yam, then the plantain, 3 green plantains. This is what I'm gonna use to hold the pudding together. Right, you hear people talk about plantain flour. Well, I did not have the time to go through the process of making that, so this should work out. Let's see how it goes, guys. Yes, using the plantain as using the plantain as the binding agent. And to this, I'm gonna also add ginger, give it some nice flavor. And as you know, ginger is also good for the gut, good for the immune system. Love our ginger. And now I'm gonna add the coconut milk. This coconut milk is going to make this sweet potato pudding so delicious. Coconut cream, all natural, 100%. Guys, so let me cover this, and I'm gonna move over to the grated sweet potato. Now I'm gonna add this grated coconut trash. This was not juice, the milk is still inside. I'm gonna add it. I'm gonna also add my cinnamon powder. And as I said, this cinnamon powder, I made it myself, guys. And I'm going to grate one of the nutmegs. I took out 2 nutmegs because I was not sure if one would be enough. I have to start grating it to see if it's good. This one is good, so this one alone will work. I just love the smell of the nutmeg. I love the smell and the cinnamon powder as well. Oops. Where are you going? It just smells lovely. Let's finish grating this nutmeg. That's it. That should be good. So from here, I'm going to just blend the ingredients inside our blender. Now when we finish blending this, we're looking for a smooth consistency. We need all these ingredients inside the blender to be smooth. Guys, I want to smell this. It smells so good already. So, just take this, bring it over to our and look at that, guys. Look at that beautiful color. And you want to smell the aroma that is coming from this blender right now. It smells so good. So, I'm gonna start to pour my mixture in. Just little by a little. And I'll be doing this the way my grandmother taught me, using the hands. I'll be massaging in everything in, using the hands. And one of the good reasons why you should use your hands as well, if I feel any lump inside, I can pick them out. Mix it around. Just mix it around. Add some more mixture. So from here, I'm gonna transfer it. From here, I'm gonna transfer it to my baking pan. So I'm going to now pour my butter inside the baking pan. And earlier on we spoke about the coconut oil, guys. I'll be basting this baking pan with the coconut oil. Yes, all natural. No butter, no so-called vegetable oil. I'll be using the coconut oil. Yes. Up on those edges. This is what I normally use, so I know that it won't stick when it's finished. Pour. Look at that, guys. Now you see how that just slide in nice and easy? That tells you that this is a very healthy mixture. Right? It's not gumming together, so nothing will be there to gum in your blood. For the high cholesterol, those who have the high cholesterol, those who have the diabetes mellitus, this can be eaten by anyone out there. This pudding here can be eaten by anyone out there. So I'm gonna beat it down on the table. Yes. And from here, I'm gonna preheat the stove 350 degrees, right? So remember that, preheat the stove 350 degrees, and I'm gonna set it for 1 hour and 40 minutes for it to be ready. So let's do that. So it's now time to put this lovely organic sweet potato pudding inside the stove. This healthy meal is going to be so delicious. Let's drop him in. So I want to give it approximately 1 hour and 40 minutes, but we'll check back and see what's going on, guys. And guys, 1 hour and 40 minutes has passed. I'm gonna take this pudding out. Look at that. I wish you guys could smell that. Now, this beautiful organic sweet potato pudding, smelling so good, looking so good. Look at that, guys. You see it can be done. No flour, no sugar, none of that vanilla that is extract. Everything natural. Cane juice, coconut milk, green plantains, nutmeg, ginger. Looking so beautiful. I'm gonna let it sit for a while, and then I'm gonna cut it and let you guys have a look at it. Now put in the comment section, guys, tell me what you think about this. Tell me what you think about the recipe. Love how it's feeling. I can't wait to taste it, guys. Remember, please like the video, right? Share the video, and if you have not subscribed to So What TV, please subscribe. Yeah, just look below. You see that subscribe button? Touch on it. It won't cost you a thing to subscribe to the channel, so you can see more of this beautiful video. I'm loving this so much. Look at it. So my friends, it is that time when I'm gonna cut this 100% organic sweet potato pudding. Yes. I'm gonna get me a piece of this sweet potato pudding. And just like when I was small, you know, I always love getting my piece where I get more than one piece of the end. nice and easy. Let's get this up. It has been sitting for approximately 1 hour. And voila! Now look at that. Look at that. No flour. No sugar. Huh? Plant-based sweet potato pudding. Look at that guy. Look at that, guys. Huh? Beautiful. Beautiful. Let me eat piece of this and enjoy. Have you guys watch. Lovely. So you know, I have a lot of people that say that this could not be done. Right? We grow up learning other things. And look how beautiful the pudding is. Well set. I'm gonna have this pudding with some bay leaf tea. I'm telling you, the sugar cane did the trick, right? This is not fresh whatsoever. Hey, I'm telling you. Oh. Look at that. Look at that. Now, put in the comment section, guys. Tell me what you think about cooking, baking sweet potato pudding without the flour, without the sugar. This is extremely healthy. This is a snack that a diabetic can have. Someone with hypertension can have it. Come on. Anyone can have this now. 100% plant-based. The way to go. But never tell that flour is nothing. This is the way this is well held together. That planting and that piece of yam did a good job. So guys, if you have come this far, I really appreciate it. Right? Just want to say a shout out to all of my subscribers, all my supporters, right? And if you're watching this right now and you have not subscribed to SOA TV, please subscribe. It costs nothing, right? And remember the thumbs up, share the video. Ryan from SOA TV saying, wow, good.
As far as man can see, one law for the rich, one law for the poor. That not right, that not right, that not right.